sinabi ko kanina, sa iba't ibang mga bayan, sa barangay level, community-led women MSME. Kanina naman ay si Kong AA, sa Sibalong naman ay nagbigay sa North. Dito ako sa North, siya nasa South ng mga community-led MSMEs of women. So we commend, we recognize, we honor the innovation, creativity, and the skill of Anti-Kenya women-led MSMEs. So ako'y nagagalak, bumabati sa lahat ng mga kababaihan na may mga maliliit na negosyo na nakakatulong sa kanilang mga komunidad at sa kanilang mga pamilya. At today naman, nag-groundbreaking tayo ng pangalawang building dito sa UP Visayas Pandan. And this year also, bibili natin sa panglupa katabi niyan, magkakaroon ng conference hall and mini convention center dito sa North Antique.
Senator, ina-advise po for local politicians, mag-start na po ang local campaign, ina-advise po sa kanila?
Ako naman, trabaho, hindi ako kasama sa local campaign. So, my campaign is really good governance. My campaign is bringing progress to our people. Yes. Kaya, during the campaign, I pray and hope that everything will be peaceful, everything will be all right.
Senator, in reaction po sa impeachments against Vice President
I cannot talk about that kasi magiging judge kami pag senator judge, so I cannot talk about impeachment.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Kailan po ba magbubukas talaga itong UP na to para mapasukan ng ating mga estudyante?
Ito, meron ng mga activities, the main building, and this will be done maybe in 1 year, and another building will be held here. Wala pang classes, but what they will have, and they already have, it's a learning hub for seminars, lectures, and workshops, and training center. And as I announced, we will have also a floating laboratory for in Pandan Bay for research at pagbibigyan rin tayo ng equipment. So we will discuss the kinds of programs or curriculum for classes. It can be hybrid, it can be face-to-face, it can be on Zoom, and we will discuss it with the Chancellor. Thank you.
Thank you so much.